Hey guys, how's it going today? In the previous video, we'll go to the observer design button, and today we'll go to the strategy design button. And the strategy design button, in the strategy design button, a class behavioral or its algorithm can be changed at the runtime. This type of design button comes under behavioral button. In the strategy design button, we create objects, which represent various strategies, and a context object whose behavior varies as per its strategy objects, and the strategy object changes the executing algorithm of the context object, and there the UML class diagram of the strategy design button. In the main, we have the strategy with algorithm interface. There's an algorithm interface method, and we in the row we have a lot of concrete strategy, A and B and C, or a lot of things, A B C D E F G, a lot of things. We inherited from the strategy class, and in the context we just to create a context interface. The context class will have the strategy aggregation relationship with strategy. If you don't know about the aggregation relationship, just see again about the UML class diagram in the first tutorial of series design button. And the next I will go to the C++ code for implementation of strategy design button. In there I declare the constructor and virtual destructor, and in there I do not anything. And the algorithm interface in strategy class, I will display a per abstract class. It means in the concrete strategy A and B and C, I just to declare the algorithm interface for every concrete strategy. For example, in the concrete strategy A, implement the algorithm using the strategy interface. I will declare the algorithm interface of this class for and in there I bring the concrete strategy A in on the screen, and similar to concrete strategy B and C. And the context class, I create a constructor with parameter and destructor. And and there's the destructor constructor with parameter. I will there is the aggregation relationship. If you don't know about that, let's see the first video of UML class diagram for implementation. In there, in the parameter of the context constructor, I will use the aggregation relationship by using the strategy class in there. I in the context class not using the inherited, inheritance from the strategy class, but in there I use the aggregation. I use the strategy. I create new the strategy object in there by using a pointer. And for example, when the user input something in there, for example, in there I create new concrete strategy A and pass the this object to there, and this object will um, use to point to the suitable context interface, and for a set to strategy object in private, I place the private for accessible. You just have one way to access by use this contest constructor with parameter, and in there, as you can see, the contest interface will point to you can see the contest interface will point to the three concrete strategy A and B and C, and point to the right algorithm interface. Okay, and now we will go through the user space of strategy development, In there, I create new the strategy contract strategy A object, and pass to contest. And now I will use the suitable interface for strategy A, and now I will run. Okay, as you can see, the concrete strategy A will point to the suitable interface, For example, in there, we use the concrete strategy B. Sorry. Okay, concrete strategy B will run. Okay, as you can see in there, concrete strategy C will run. For example, in the rule, I just to create a lot of strategy in there. Strategy 1, 2, strategy 1, 2, and 3, and then there. I bring out. I use the suitable interface for every for it concrete strategy, Okay, as you can see, there's a result for implementation of a concrete strategy for the development strategy, And I just to remind conclusive. In the strategy development, we can change at the runtime the algorithm of every concrete, And this type of development comes under behavioral button, And in the strategy development, we create objects which present the various strategies and context object whose behavioral various as per in the strategy object, And the strategy object can change the encoding algorithm of the context object. Okay, thank you for watching.